Hi everyone, welcome back to Beauty and Food, and today I'm going to show you how to make garlic butter with just 3 ingredients, which are softened butter, garlic. I'm using 1 whole bulb of garlic here, and you can adjust the amount of garlic to your taste, it's up to you. And lastly, flat leaf parsley. This recipe is better than any restaurant garlic butter, and it's definitely going to become a staple in your house. I use this simple recipe to make amazing garlic bread, steak, chicken, potatoes, and lots more. So let's check it out. First, mince the garlic. I'm using my Kenwood chopper here. Then put it aside. Chop the parsley as finely as you can. Next, we are going to mix everything. So put the butter in a bowl, mince garlic, and the chopped parsley. Now, combine all the ingredients together. Before that, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell for all notifications. After you're done mixing everything well, put it on baking paper, roll it into shape, and clip or twist the ends of it. Put it in the fridge for 1 hour or chill until firm. Take it out and cut it. And it's done! Before I go, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell. Till then, bye bye!